Hello dear student, warm welcome in this YouTube channel. Question is, if fish is at a depth of 12 centimeter from the surface of a lake and a bird is at a height of 15 centimeter above the surface of the lake, the fish and the bird are on the same vertical line. The refractive index of water in the lake is 4 by 3. So refractive index of water is given as 2 4 by 3. Okay, find the apparent distance of fish as observed by the bird. So bird is at a height of 15 centimeter from the lake of the surface of the lake, and fish is at 12 centimeter from the lake surface, and this is air. So mu of air is 1. We write it as n of air, that is 1. Okay, so therefore apparent depth is equal to real depth into n1 first medium refractive index upon second medium refractive index, and this is real depth into first medium is air and second medium is water, and real depth is 12 centimeter from uh, below the lake surface. So 12 n is 1 and nw is 4 by 3. Therefore 12 into 3 upon 4, 4 3 are 12, 3 into 3, that is 9 centimeter. So 9 centimeter is the apparent depth of the fish from the lake surface, which is found in option A. So option A is correct. I hope you got it. Please like the video, subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.